Previously, we've explored the basics of making calls in Microsoft Teams. In this video, we'll focus on using speed dial and choosing a ringtone. Speed dial allows you to quickly reach the people you call most often. To add a contact, select Add to Speed Dial, type in the person's name, and choose Add. Then click Save. Once added, your contacts will appear in the speed dial pane, where you can start a video or audio call with just one click. To personalize your experience, you can also change your ringtone. Open your settings by clicking the three dots next to your profile picture, then select Calls. From here, you'll see options to choose a ringtone for your own calls, as well as for forwarded calls and delegated calls. Pick the sound that works best for you, and it will play whenever you receive a call in Teams. Microsoft Teams provides the tools you need to manage communication efficiently and keep business moving forward.